In this video, we're going to be talking about a BMO application not working and what are the easy fixes that you could follow. So let me just go ahead and tell you a couple of problems that you could be facing and you could be solving it through these methods. So number one, we're going to be talking about checking internet and restarting. So ensure that Wi-Fi or data is stable and restart your phone and router. Number two is going to be updating your application. So simply go ahead and head into your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for your BMO application, click on it. And where it says open, if you have an update, it's just going to go ahead and say update. The third thing you can do is going to be by turning your phone off and back on because casual resets or restarts is also going to go ahead and fix a couple of glitches. The number four thing you can do is going to be simply uninstalling and reinstalling your application. So that is it. I hope this video clarifies everything that you need to know in this video. So if it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.